Rochester, New York is a city built on innovation. From our earliest days as a boomtown on the Erie Canal, we've always been pushing forward. Rochester businesses like Kodak and Xerox changed the way we live by seeing into the future of technology. Today, the spirit of innovation is stronger than ever. Rochester is becoming an important new tech hub, and our revitalization is based on the same forward thinking that first made it great. Businesses like Project Lean Nation, NeighborWorks, and Frontier Glass change the way we eat, live, and do business.
We hope to impact the Rochester community by being rooted in education, support, and the impact we make in our members and our clients' lives. So what our hope is that if we can help people provide progress in the area of health, that through their efforts of achieving health, we see that will have a ripple effect not only in our members' lives, but the community.
I actually started in this industry many years ago as a clinical social worker, so I used to work in people's homes. I always knew that housing and where they lived was a key component to their health and mental health. We've actually worked with 5 different neighborhoods over the last couple of decades. Every neighborhood that we move into, we've seen housing prices go up and the pride in the community go up.
I see many changes happening in the city of Rochester, both in the development side with the growth of the construction downtown, the renovation of downtown, which is bringing all types of people to the downtown area. People are starting to see the changes that are happening down there and they want to be part of that revitalization.
We decided to move to downtown Rochester because we wanted to be closer to the clients that we serve. We help them grow their businesses online and in the community, and in turn, we're helping revitalize Rochester.